Upbeat music plays. Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel that helps you buy smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving into the steaming world of cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweight contenders in the steam mop arena: the H2O MOP X5 and the REECOO Steam Mop. We'll be comparing these bad boys in categories like price, power, versatility, and even the "let's see how much fun we can have" cleaning factor. So grab your rubber gloves and let's get steamy. First up, the price. The H2O MOP X5 is priced at $169, making it a premium option for those looking for a serious cleaning tool. Reviewers note that while it's a great upgrade from a broom, some expressed concerns about the material quality, indicating that it feels a bit low quality for the price. On the other hand, the REECOO Steam Mop comes in at a budget-friendly $69. Many users appreciate its effectiveness and versatility, though some noted that the mop heads can be difficult to clean. Overall, the REECOO offers great value for money, making it appealing for budget-conscious shoppers. Next up, power. The H2O MOP X5 boasts an impressive 1,300 watts of steam cleaning power, which many reviewers claim is powerful enough to tackle tough cleaning jobs, although concerns about its effectiveness on tile and grout were mentioned. Meanwhile, the REECOO Steam Mop packs 1,200 watts and heats up in just 15 seconds, making it a favorite among users who appreciate quick steam release for efficient cleaning. Reviewers have praised its strong steam power, making it a solid choice for everyday cleaning tasks. Now let's talk versatility. The H2O MOP X5 is a 5-in-1 cleaning machine, and while some users found it effective for various surfaces, they also noted some attachments could be prone to breaking. On the contrary, the REECOO Steam Mop is a 10-in-1 cleaner that comes with multiple attachments, allowing for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Reviewers love its ability to clean multiple surfaces, including floors, glass doors, and upholstery, making it highly versatile. Let's not forget ease of use. The H2O MOP X5 is light and easy to maneuver, but it does come with a bit of a learning curve, as some users mentioned it took time to get used to. In contrast, the REECOO Steam Mop is praised for its user-friendly design, even featuring a flippable design for hard-to-reach areas. Reviewers found it easy to handle, making it an excellent choice for those who want a straightforward cleaning experience. Finally, customer service. H2O MOP X5 has a solid reputation for customer support, but some users reported long hold times when seeking assistance. In contrast, the REECOO Steam Mop boasts 24/7 support, earning praise from users who appreciate responsive customer service. Many felt reassured knowing they could reach out for help anytime, making it a comforting choice for new buyers. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses based on user experiences. The H2O MOP X5 is favored for its powerful steam and versatility, while the REECOO Steam Mop is appreciated for its budget-friendly price and quick heating time. However, concerns about material quality and the effectiveness of attachments were noted for both products. Overall, customers are generally satisfied with the cleaning performance of both mops, making either a good choice depending on individual needs. So which mop wins this steamy showdown? If you're looking for a powerful, versatile cleaner and don't mind splurging a bit, the H2O MOP X5 is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and want something that cleans well without emptying your wallet, the REECOO Steam Mop is a fantastic choice. Remember folks, whether you choose the luxury sedan or the budget-friendly compact, the most important thing is to keep your floors clean and shiny. Let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, happy cleaning, and remember, buy smart, not hard.